In this TopDog training video, you're going to learn how to place and receive phone calls using a wireless headset. Okay, let's get started. So we're going to use my favorite. This is the 2-ear Plantronics wireless headset. We went over this in a previous video. Okay, so I just love this thing. It's so comfortable. Noise canceling technology. It covers both my ears. So if I'm in a noisy room, it just really helps me engage and hear crystal clear and Wi-Fi stereo my caller on who I'm speaking with. Okay, so it's very easy to make and receive calls. Let's say I want to call Susie. So she's at extension 556. So, let me show you first. I almost forgot. Okay, so on our TopDog phone, this button right here, when I press that, it turns green. Now I know my wireless headset is activated. I can place and receive calls using the headset. That's how easy it is. All right, let's call Susie. She's at extension 556. It's ringing. Let's put it on speaker. Hello, Susie. Okay. So that is how easy it is to place a call using the wireless headset. Now let's answer a call. Let's have Susie call us. All I have to do is hit answer. Hello, Susie. Okay, now we just answered a call. That's how easy it is to place and receive phone calls using your TopDog wireless headset. I'll see you in the next video.